Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to generate chat replies with DeepSeek faster than ChatGPT. If you want lightning quick answers or replies for comments, DMs or content ideas, here's the exact tricks to make DeepSeek respond faster and smoother than ChatGPT. First of all, open a DeepSeek app, or you can just open your browser and visit deepseek.ai or chatdeepseek.com. No app needed. It runs directly online. Next, once you're inside the app, what you're gonna do is look for the lightning fast or light option. This user makes smaller engine that prioritizes speed over long explanations, perfect for chat replies and social posts. Use short specific prompts, like instead of typing a full paragraph, keep DeepSeek tight instructions like write a and then send it. Short prompts equals faster replies. And now once your answer is here, what you guys can do is click on the top right corner right over here and then just clear your chat or hit new chat every few threads. Old conversation context can slow response time. Use it on desktop for speed. DeepSeek runs quickest on Chrome or Edge desktop with a stable Wi-Fi connection. Mobile browsers can lag slightly. Save its private data, passwords, or client messages into any AI chats, even fast ones like DeepSeek. Quick fix: if it slows down, refresh the page, switch to light model again, avoid emojis or long copy paste text. They can slow rendering. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.